everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. Hope each and every one of you are safe and healthy no matter where you are. Well, as you all well know, there is a huge snowstorm that is coming to my neck of the woods in Kentucky. And yeah, we got 4 inches so far, and we are expecting maybe up to 8. And yeah, but we've got 4 so far. I was blessed enough to be able to come home at 12 today. Soon as I got home is when it hit. So I pray that everybody's safe. I know there is a lot of wrecks out there, and I want you to look how my St. Bernard Apollo, how beautiful he looks in the snow. I mean beautiful. Aren't you, Apollo? Apollo, aren't you beautiful? He's right at home. He's loving this snow. Apollo, Bubba, ain't he beautiful? Love that baby boy of mine. He loves the snow. Loves the snow. But I thought I would kind of show you all the snow that we got. It's everywhere. Everywhere, everywhere. And we're going to take a walk, which, you know, kind of hoping that we make it. And there's our Weimaraner. I don't know exactly how Heidi's liking it, but yeah. You can hear me crunching in the snow. Cattle loving the snow. But yeah, we got like 4 inches. It's crazy. Crazy, crazy. There, my boy. Look at all this snow. It's beautiful. It's beautiful when you don't have to drive in it. You want in the video? You're supposed to say no. Well, isn't it beautiful, guys? Look at that. It's kind of slowed down a little bit, but I had to come on and share with you all. I know I've kind of been slack on doing my videos. Look at this. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful my boy is. There he is, my beautiful boy. He loves the snow. See what I mean? He loves the snow. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh goodness. Heidi loves to pick on Apollo, and Apollo's like, I don't know about this. See, Heidi's only about 1.5, and Apollo will be 9 this year, guys. All of her toys are buried.
Baby.
Huh?
Go
Are you doing hay first?
Yeah.
Okay. But look at this, and you can see it snowing. There's my girl and my boy. They're a sight. And I'll walk you guys up here real quick and let you see. Apollo. Hi, Bubba. Look at that big boy. Look at that big boy. And that knothead of a girl of mine. Oh, goodness. But what I was saying, I'm sorry, guys, that I've been real slack about doing videos lately. I just kind of going through a rut, I guess. But I'll get back into the swing of things. Hopefully. I'm working on a couple of collabs and stuff, so you should see those really soon. But yeah, this is our snowstorm. So I pray each and every one of you are very, very safe. Take care of yourself and stay warm. And guys, stay off those roads if you can, if you're getting this kind of weather. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me, and I'll just kind of give you a little quiet snow time. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.